Over the past few classes, we've started working on our master plan using Realtime Landscape Architect, which is a new software. So focusing on our five key concepts here, we have the plan, perspective, and walkthrough. So basically there's three different views in this software that you can use. You can use the plan, which is a two-dimensional view, pretty standard, very similar to everything else we've been using previously. There's the perspective view, which is a three-dimensional view. This allows you to navigate through all the different design concepts, and you can look at everything from different angles, so it really comes in handy. Also, we have the walkthrough view, which is a three-dimensional view also. And this allows you to use cameras to create a virtual walkthrough for the viewer. And you can also adjust the time of day and the weather too, so you really get all these different views of your design. So moving on to the next key concept, we have the library of objects and the site amenities. You can see on the slide here, but you can put in over 7,800 different plant models and over 4,200 accessories. This really allows you to make your design your own and really show the viewer what you're working with and how customizable everything really is. Moving on to the object-specific tools. These tools come in handy because they allow us to edit objects, edit all the different dimensions, and there's many different options for customizing. Like I said before, you can really make it your own. And this also allows us to insert the house and extensions and garages and such off the house. Another important part of this is the point editing tool. This allows us to make specific points, curved or straight. You can also get rid of certain points and really customize the type of curve you want, depending on your design. So next we have the plant tools and the plant list. These come in handy because it allows you to take all the plants, trees, and shrubs. It organizes them by name and by quantity, and it puts them all into a list that is very easy to read. Additionally, we have the plant row feature, which basically you put a line or a curved line, and it allows you to put however many plants you want in that area. And then there's different options to customize those plants. We also are able to edit the plant size, which if you go to edit plant, there's a space where you can put age. So obviously the older or younger depends on the size of the plant. So coming back to viewpoints, like I said before, this software offers many different viewpoints, which is a really great feature because you could see your design from all different perspectives, and it actually makes the designing process much more smooth and quicker. And using the walkthrough tool, you can really see things as they would look in reality, which is a huge benefit. Some additional concepts we have here is the one-to-one scale. So this comes in handy because when we put the background image in, we scale it so 1/8 of an inch on the design when it's printed equals 1 foot in real-world dimensions. For background template, this was the image that we put in to start. You can turn it on and off through the Layers tab, which comes in handy towards the end once you actually made your design. And it guides us through the design process. So for the layers, it's pretty similar to the other software. You add layers manually, and you can move objects to different layers if you want. And you can add as many layers and take away as many layers as you want also. So looking at some of the similarities and differences to the other softwares, the similarities are the fact that you can add and move objects to different layers. The scaling tool comes in handy on all these different types of software, and we're able to put in plants and site amenities. However, some of the differences that we noticed with Realtime is that you obviously get different viewpoints and perspectives, which really helps once you're done with the design process to show off all the work that you've done. And I've noticed that there was a much wider selection of plants and objects, so that definitely comes in handy when you are designing. Thank you.